Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. If this is your first time, you're very welcome. I hope you subscribe and join the family. Now today's video is another collaboration with RPGSHOW. This is honestly one of my favorite companies to work with. So the box came with a flyaway tamer, an elastic band to lay your edges, and a bag to store your units. Now this is the unit I'm going to be reviewing today. It's their 13x6 Swiss lace front wig. This unit comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached. As you can see, it comes with an elastic band, an adjustable strap, and some comb. This unit is in 20 inches, but honestly it feels longer than 20 inches, and that's something that I've noticed with RPGSHOW. Most of their units are actually longer than they are, which is not a bad thing at all. And in terms of density, this unit is 200%. It is a lot of hair, but hey, I am absolutely here for it. So this unit is called the OP Hair 010, and I do have a coupon code Sharon to get $100 off. I will link all the information in the description box. So now is the time to run and grab this unit, because we all know RPGSHOW have some pricey units, but trust me guys, they're totally worth it. Little side note, I did purchase a unit from RPGSHOW with my money. One of the first unit they sent to me was this absolutely gorgeous bob wig, and when I tell you, I wore that unit everywhere and to do everything. Okay, so I definitely needed a refresher. So I went ahead and purchased the unit anonymously. They didn't know it was me, and they sent me the exact same wig. Just putting it out there, because I know some people feel like RPGSHOW sends influencers better quality wigs. So back to this unit. Now this unit can be worn absolutely glueless. As you guys can see, the lace was melted into my skin after I cut the lace off, and the ear tabs didn't lift. However, I like to be extra, okay? So I went in with my Evan New York hairspray. I always talk about this product, guys. If you have acne prone skin, please get this. This is not sponsored. I'm just trying to help the girlies out. Now, I used to break out a lot when I was using, you know, the other brand. And so I did research and found this, and this literally does not break me out. And I actually believe that this has a stronger hold than the other brand that we always use. So I would also link this in my description box as well. In terms of melting this unit, guys, it was so easy, so easy. One thing I recommend is pushing all the hair back before you cut the lace and before you lay it down, so you can see what you're working with. So yeah, that was all I did for laying the unit down. Again, you can totally wear this unit glueless. It will fit your head. I have a small to medium size head, and this fit me perfectly. I also went in with some spritz just to further melt the lace down. Again, you don't have to. Your girl can be extra sometimes. I didn't tint this lace at all because it comes deeply bleached. That's another thing with RPGSHOW. I don't know, I need to get their bleach, because whenever I bleach my units, it never looks the way their unit looks. So yeah, some other specs on this unit: it didn't come with a funny smell. It actually just smelled like freshly deep conditioned or freshly conditioned hair, which I appreciate. I don't remember receiving any shedding, because if I did, I will definitely remember. So I would say this unit didn't shed at all. And another plus is this unit is clearly bleached because of the highlights, and I was actually expecting it to be a little bit dry, because you know that happens with dyed or bleached hair. Even your natural hair, it tends to be a bit dry, but I didn't experience any of that with this. It was actually very soft and easy to manage, so that is a plus. Guys, can you see this hairline? Oh my gosh, lace wear, guys. Oh, I don't even want to talk too much. You guys can see it, okay? I'm not a hairstylist, and I was still able to lay this unit. You, my darling, can absolutely do it, because most of their units are literally throw it and go, straight out of the box. You don't need to do anything. Just cut the lace off and you are good to go. So I decided to do a side part because, I don't know, I feel like side parts are so feminine. And I've been doing a lot of middle parts lately. So this is me just shaping and, you know, laying the hair flat. Now you want to take your time with side parts, because you don't want to have that like bump up top. So yeah, I'm just sectioning the sections. I'm just creating sections and just using my hot comb to flatten it out. Next, I'm going to curl this unit and I will speak to you guys later with my final thoughts.
Love someone and they'll just give you hell. Feelings that we can't keep to ourselves. Give yourself and hope it all goes well. Baby, this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you hell. Baby, I just wanna treat you well. Hope you don't leave nothing but a shell. Baby, this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you. You know I'd do anything. I'll send signs but subliminally. Think of you till I fall asleep. We can be together but I just can't believe it. Loving you, I'm singing so many songs but not for you. And I can see you falling for me. Days they come and go as they please. If you wanna just be honest and say so. Say you want me, let go. I've been feeling the same things. Out here just waiting. Doesn't matter where we go. I'll be for it. Love someone and they'll just give you hell. Feelings that we can't keep to ourselves. Give yourself and hope it all goes well. Maybe this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you warm lights on cold nights. Doesn't it feel right when we wake up, make love? I feel so paralyzed, choices I don't even want. Ooh, if you wanna just be honest and say so. Say you want me, let go.
So I highly recommend you pin your curls, guys, because one section of my hair, the curls had totally dropped. But that's fine. I would make it work. My barrel as well is pretty big, so I don't know what I was expecting. So I used a wide tooth comb to comb out the curls. You don't want to use a brush because that could literally ruin all your hard work of curling this unit. So yeah, guys, that is basically it here. I'm just cleaning up the hairline even more, you know, making sure you guys see this glamorous, glorious hairline that looks like it's growing from my scalp. And then I'm going to define the parting space with some powder that's a shade or 2 shades darker than my skin, and clean up my hairline. You know, the elastic band kind of took off some foundation. And that is basically it, guys. I was gonna do baby hairs, but honestly, with RPG Show's units, I just feel like you don't need too much. Let the hairline do the talking, okay? If you want to do baby hairs, fine, but you do not need to, guys. Oh, this unit, oh my gosh, I think I need to calm down. But yeah, this was absolutely giving. This color is gonna be my summer color. This is the wig I'm gonna be wearing all summer. So if you're trying to prepare for summer, girl, I highly recommend you get this unit. I will leave all the information in the description box. Remember, I do have a coupon code Sharon to get $100 off. So now is the time to rush and purchase this unit. Don't say I didn't do anything for you. Okay, guys, thank you again for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. God bless. Bye, guys.